Hey everyone, I'm Aniket Kumar and welcome back to another project demo. So this is basically called LectureDocs, and let me give you the problem I was facing. The problem was like, let's say you are learning a new tech stack like JavaScript, Node, Golang or anything, and you are watching video, you are writing down notes handwritten, but you also want to, make a documentation for your GitHub. Like, let's say you attended lecture one, you have that video URL, you have that lecture PDF or handwritten notes, and you want to like, you cannot be writing readme file for that lecture one, and like you can give it to AI, but it will take time. It will not generate context also. I will tell you more about like what is also there. So that was basically the problem. Like I could not document what I was learning. I had to write handwritten. I had to write handwritten like code of readme raw code. So that was the problem. And for the tech stack, I have used Next.js for the front end. And for the backend, I have used like local models that you may ask like why you have not deployed it yet. So I used like local chroma and local embedding models like sentence transformer. And because of that, like there is no uh, hosting available for that on free tier. So I am recording it locally. As you can see, I have already uploaded so many projects, and these are all tries I tried and I failed, but now it's working completely fine. So let me tell you more about this. So you can upload like handwritten notes, PDF, audio, video, YouTube links, and for that, for handwritten notes, I was like getting error. So I tried to use TrOCR for handwritten, but it was not extracting like difficult handwriting. So I've used another LLM as fallback. Like if it does not extract using OCR, then it will go for LLM, and LLM are best for any kind of situation. And I'm using RAG for this project. Like your text, all the content will be embedded and stored in Chroma DB, and then it will be implemented like when I ask anything about that project or anything like that. We also have vector search, and like it works completely offline first, then only like you will it will completely work local first, and then only like it will go try other LLMs and all. And I've used multiple LLMs like Gemini, OpenAI, and Neuron and Olama, all those things. And embedding is also done like first locally, then like using LLM. And like I'm also thinking of making a npm package, but I don't know how to make it, so it will take time. Let's see. And I will also use like Redis and Chroma DB for that embedding storage, and Docker to run those Chroma and Redis. I've used not upstairs but local Redis only. So I will go through one by one and tell you all the features of that project. So this is the basically I am already signed in, as you can see. And if you are not signed in, you will sign up and verify, then only you can sign in. So we also have light mode and dark mode for this, and you can search your project using vector search. And also like mm, these are all the projects. So let me just show you how this works. So let's say your project name is JavaScript. Let's say this course name, like this was JS01 module 1.4 lecture 3, and description. These are completely optional. Like if you don't want to fill, that's completely fine. It will automatically give like title for this project, whatever project you are doing. So first, let's try some files. As you can see, I will try this file, and when you click on upload, this is .txt file, or This is basically for MetaMask, but anyway, I'm just showing you the demo. So let's generate, and as you can see, uploading successful and process has been started for the like chunking process. And let me just go to the backend. As you can see, the embedding has been generated for there. As you can see, the file name was like blockchain wallet, whatever that was. And let me just it was JavaScript, I guess. I don't know, it's less than a minute ago. Yeah, this one. So as you can see, it has generated all the file. It has generated the readme for that txt file, and as you can see, it has also given code block. It will also give like what do you say, a mermaid diagram and all those things. It is not showing like preview is not good. I don't know why, but if you paste raw wallet, raw code here, let's say here, you will see that the readme is being generated in a beautiful way. So that was for this one. And let me see the rag, like, and you will see that it will only answer according to the context it has been provided by this. And as you can see, it has answered this all those things from here only, and there are two sources for that. And let me show you the uh, backend and chroma data. As you can see here, all these things are stored here in the chroma. Obviously you cannot see it, but if you want to see it, I will tell you a way for that. So let's test another feature for this. And you can also download, copy, or whatever you want to do. You can also regenerate if you are not satisfied with the project. Let's create another project, handwritten notes one. I will upload a handwritten note and JS. You can leave it anything. You can leave this way only. Let me just show you the image. As you can see, this is completely handwritten, and I will upload it here. Now it's taking, but let me just go to the, so yeah, let me upload it, and you will see I have uploaded it and the process has been started. Let me search handwritten notes, and I will go in this, and I guess readme is being processed now. So let's wait for that. As you can see, the embedding was being generated and the API is been done. Let's reload this project, and as you can see, the like his what do you say that readme has been generated, and all those things, like it has also given code example. And let me just show you what that image also. As you can see, this is the same context if you want to check, cross check it. And let me ask, you can see it also took that JS is for JavaScript and gave the name of that programmer who made this JavaScript, which was Brendan H. And so that's it. And let me go and create a new project for the YouTube URL. Uh, Let me just take a URL from here. I'm taking short URL only. I don't want to waste your time. So upload, and then I will upload and generate. It is being uploaded. So let's wait a minute. I hope it does not. get API limit. So files has been uploaded. The process has been started. Let's check the job queue, what it is doing. Let's go to the backend, and as you can see, the text embedding has been generated of YouTube video. And let's check it if it has generated. So yeah, it has generated, I guess. Let me just search YouTube, and as you can see, it has generated the Rust description for that YouTube URL. And let me just show you. I don't know why the preview is not good, but as you can see here, if you paste on GitHub or in a project file, it will run exactly like that. It has also given all those, like, uh, YouTube video which you were watching or whatever that is, and you can ask, like, let me just see what is this about. The database, and let's see if it answers. Okay, as you can see, the LLM API has been exhausted, so it's using local, and let's see if it can use local. That's why it's taking time. Like, Llama generally takes time to answer because it will first get context of what I'm asking. It will also get the data and all those things, then only it will answer. But it's taking time. It's a few more seconds, else I will just conclude the. Uh, but it will answer like Llama was going to. But it's taking time. I don't know why. So as you can see, it has answered also. It took time, but as I already told you, it will take time. And it has given the source that I answered from here. And for that, SQLite database, if you want to check how, like, it is storing embedded things or not, so you can just search SQLite viewer, and you can come to this link. It was, I don't know, I guess it was this link. Yeah, this one, and you can just open a file. Let me just go to the backend, chroma data, and this one, and you will see that all the embeddings are being generated here, and all those things. If you check embeddings, as you can see, embeddings created, embedding ID, embedding metadata, like all those things are being generated. And that was how you could check it. If you want to regenerate, you can regenerate the, what they say, a readme. But let's leave for that now. And it is also mobile responsive, so you don't have to worry about that. And I just upload a PDF. Did I upload the PDF or not? I don't know. But it will work anyway. You already saw the, like, image. If it can extract, handwritten documents, then that's not a problem. So yeah. And these are all filters. If you want to filters, I will filter accordingly. So yeah, that's it. For now, I guess there is light mode also if you want to check. Let's skip all courses. And this one is also like, as you can see, this is also, you can chat here, whatever if you want. So yeah, that's it for now. And if you want to contribute or want to check the GitHub source code, you can just come to my GitHub here. And as you can see, this one, this is the file URL if you want to copy it, but give it a style if you want. And I already told, given the starting, like how will you start, but you need Docker for it, because I'm using like local Redis and Chroma DB. Let me just say that. So for starting Docker, Redis, Redis and Chroma, you will use this command docker start Chroma, and for Redis you will start docker start Redis, and that's it. And all the API I've already told you. So this is how it works. Let me just, so yeah, thank you for